Hello, I'm Asha, a software engineer, and today we will ask some questions to Santa ChatGPT. So, long story short, last week on vacation with my boyfriend, who you already know from this YouTube channel, we noticed a new feature on the ChatGPT. So we can now ask voice questions. So now ChatGPT is even more user friendly. We don't need to spend time to write our questions. We can just ask. So let's test it. I have already opened my ChatGPT site and I'm logged to my Plus version to have the feature available. And yeah, let's test this. So I click to this icon and I have already the Santa voice
Ho,
available.
ho, ho!
But you can
Happy
choose
holidays! I've been going over my...
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground
We
running.
have
So if there's
some
anything you'd like me to
different
focus on
voices,
first,
but
Ho,
we will
ho,
just the
ho!
Santa one.
Happy...
Hello Santa, can you hear me?
Ho, ho, ho! Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How are you today, my friend?
Great, thank you. I have some questions for you. And the first one is, what is the most unique gift request you have ever received?
Ho, ho, ho! That's a wonderful question. One of the most unique requests I've received was from a child who asked for a snow cloud that would follow them around and sprinkle snowflakes wherever they went. What a magical idea!
Okay, I think that this is a great marketing stuff for the AWS. And second question, what is the most popular gift for a programmer boyfriend?
Ho, ho, ho! For a programmer boyfriend, the most popular gift is often something tech-related. Think about gadgets like the latest smartwatch, noise-cancelling headphones, or even a new mechanical keyboard. Something that aligns with their passion for technology is sure to bring joy.
Okay, next question. How I can get more subscribers on my YouTube channel?
Ho, ho, ho! Growing your YouTube channel can be quite an adventure. Here are some tips. 1. Create engaging content. Make videos that are interesting and valuable to your audience. Consistent posting. Regularly upload content so your audience knows when to expect new videos. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and build a community around your channel. 4. Promote your videos. Share them on social media, forums, or related online communities. 5. Optimize your titles and descriptions. Use keywords to help people find your videos. Keep spreading joy and magic with your content.
Okay, great. Next question. What little I can add to my Christmas gifts to surprise my loved ones?
Adding a personal touch to your Christmas gifts can make them extra special. Here are a few ideas. Handwritten notes. Include a heartfelt handwritten note or card expressing your feelings. 2. Small trinkets. Add a little ornament, keychain, or a personalized item that reminds them of a shared memory. 3. Photos. Include a favorite photo in a frame or as part of the gift. 4. Homemade treats. Bake some cookies or other treats to accompany your gift. 5. Magic touch. A sprinkle of holiday magic. A small bell, a sprig of holly, or a tiny Santa hat. These thoughtful additions can make your gifts even more memorable.
Okay, next question. What a new Christmas tradition you recommend starting this year?
Ho, ho, ho! Starting a new Christmas tradition can be a delightful way to create lasting memories. Here are a few ideas. 1. Christmas Eve box. Prepare a special box with cozy items like pajamas, a holiday movie, and some treats to enjoy together. 2. Ornament exchange. Each year, exchange or make a new ornament to add to the tree, creating a collection of memories. 3. Holiday book night. Spend an evening reading a favorite Christmas story or a new holiday book together. 4. Volunteer together. Give back by volunteering or doing a charitable act as a family, spreading the spirit of giving. 5. Holiday Baking Day. Dedicate a day to baking cookies or other festive treats together, and maybe even share them with friends and neighbors. These traditions can bring warmth and joy to your holiday season.
Okay, thank you for the answer. And the last one. Prepare for me 3 personalized goals which should I have for the new year.
Ho, ho, ho! Setting personalized goals for the new year is a splendid idea. Here are 3 goals tailored just for you. 1. Personal growth. Choose something you'd like to learn or improve this year. It could be a new skill like cooking, a language, or even a hobby that brings you joy. 2. Health and well-being. Set a goal to take care of your body and mind. It might be exercising regularly, practicing mindfulness, or ensuring you get enough rest. 3. Connections and community. Aim to strengthen your relationships or give back to your community. This could be spending more quality time with loved ones or volunteering for a cause you care about. These goals will help you grow, stay healthy, and spread joy in the new year.
Okay, great, thank you. And at the end, can you sing something from me?
Ho, 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 ho. I'd love to, but I'm here to chat and spread holiday cheer with my words. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Oh, so you can't sing?
Ho, ho, ho. I can certainly share some holiday cheer with my words and stories. What else would you like to know?
Okay, so that will be all. So, guys, as you can
Ho,
see,
ho, ho. If you ever need more holiday cheer,
that is the option. We have a lot of fun with my boyfriend on the holiday because we ask some funny questions. So you can try that with your second half. And you can try also the other voices. But I think the Santa is the best one. If you like that video and you like some more ChatGPT related content or some other technical content, let me know in the comment and I will prepare something for you. Thanks for watching.